Let's talk about transformations. There's something magical about starting with nothing and imagining what could be. I started with a small, basic living room, plain walls, generic furniture, and barely any natural light. It felt more like a waiting room than a place to actually live in. It was a blank canvas, lacking personality and vibe, the kind of space that almost dares you to dream bigger. The challenge: turn this cramped, uninspired space into a comfortable living room that could instantly transform into a futuristic gaming paradise. I wanted it to be both a sanctuary and a launchpad for creativity. Every piece of furniture and tech had to serve multiple purposes, no room for clutter. In a small space, every inch counts, so versatility was key. Most people think you need a huge room for a dream setup, but I wanted to prove otherwise. Small spaces can be just as inspiring, if not more. The first step was rethinking the layout. Furniture placement is everything in a small space. It's like solving a puzzle, where every move matters. I needed distinct zones for relaxing and gaming, but they had to feel connected. The room had to flow, not feel chopped up or crowded. The goal: maximize perceived space and create a seamless flow. I wanted the room to feel open, even if it wasn't. This wasn't just about adding a gaming PC, it was about redesigning the entire experience. Every detail, from lighting to layout, would play a part. The mission: inject personality and functionality, using tech as a core design element. I wanted the room to reflect who I am and what I love. This plain, tiny room was about to become something special, a true expression of creativity, comfort, and innovation. Every great gaming setup starts with the desk, Command Central. It's the foundation where all the action happens, setting the tone for your entire gaming experience. Space was tight, so I chose a minimalist standing desk with a matte black finish. Its clean lines and compact footprint make it perfect for smaller rooms or apartments. The adjustable height makes it feel more like a high-tech console than office furniture. Whether I'm sitting for long sessions or standing for a change of pace, it adapts to my needs. The centerpiece, a mid-tower PC with a glass side panel and vibrant RGB lighting, is both art and machine. It's a showcase of power and personality, reflecting my style. An ultra-wide curved monitor fills your vision for total immersion and productivity. It's perfect for gaming, multitasking, or creative work, making every session feel cinematic. Peripherals matter: a mechanical RGB keyboard and lightweight gaming mouse, all synced for a cohesive glow. Every keystroke and click feels precise and satisfying. A compact soundbar delivers crisp audio without clutter. It keeps the desk tidy while still providing immersive sound for games, music, and movies. Every item on the desk has a purpose, no wasted space. Organization is key, so everything is within easy reach and nothing distracts from the action. The matte black surfaces make the RGB pop, creating a visually striking setup. The contrast highlights every color and detail, making the whole space feel dynamic. This compact command center proves you don't need a huge footprint for a pro-level experience. Even in a small room, you can achieve a setup that feels expansive and powerful. It's all about smart choices and tight integration. Every component is chosen for both function and style, working together seamlessly. Everything works together in a beautiful, efficient package, maximizing both performance and aesthetics. The result: a powerful, immersive hub that anchors the entire room, transforming it into a true gamer's paradise. Lighting is what truly transforms the room, turning an ordinary space into something extraordinary. Smart RGB LED strips run behind the desk, TV stand, and shelves, hidden, but casting a beautiful diffused glow that wraps the room in color. Bias lighting not only reduces eye strain during long gaming sessions, but also makes on-screen colors pop with extra vibrancy and depth. Modular light panels above the desk double as interactive wall art, syncing with games and music for next-level immersion and a dynamic atmosphere. The real magic is customization. Control every light from one app, adjusting brightness, color, and effects to match your mood or activity. Instantly shift the mood. Cool blue for sci-fi adventures, deep red for intensity, or flowing gradients for a relaxing cinematic atmosphere. At night, the RGB makes the walls disappear, creating a bubble of light that feels expansive, almost like stepping into another world. The room adapts to whatever you're doing, gaming, relaxing, or entertaining friends, always setting the perfect scene. Light isn't just decoration, it's a tool for changing the entire vibe, making a small space feel bigger, cozier, or more exciting. In a small space, smart lighting makes all the difference, turning every moment into an experience. The challenge: blend gaming and living in one small space. I place the desk and TV on the same wall, creating a unified media zone. The sofa faces this wall, giving you a perfect view of both screens. Transitioning from movie night to gaming is seamless. Just swivel your chair. A lightweight coffee table moves easily for extra space. Consistent matte black finishes tie the tech and furniture together. Soft textures from the sofa and rug balance the high-tech look, keeping things cozy. The result: a space that's both comfortable and high performance, with no compromises. Smart lighting shifts the focus instantly, adapting the room to your needs. RGB is great, but sometimes you want warmth and comfort. A minimalist floor lamp with a smart warm bulb adds cozy ambient light. Its soft glow fills the room, perfect for relaxing or reading. The lamp's color temperature mimics classic incandescent bulbs for a calming effect. Mixing warm light with subtle RGB creates a premium dynamic atmosphere. You get high-energy colors for gaming, soft tones for downtime, and everything in between. This dual lighting approach keeps the room versatile and inviting. The RGB excites, but the warm light grounds the space. Balance is what makes it feel like home. The room transforms from day to night. By day, it's a sleek, organized living room, matte black surfaces, clean lines, and hidden tech. The RGB is off, and the light panels look like modern art. As night falls, the magic begins. A single command brings the warm lamp to life. Then the RGB glows around the media wall and desk. The PC and peripherals light up, and the wall panels shift colors. The room's boundaries melt away, creating an immersive cocoon. Lighting adapts to your activity: movie mode, gaming mode, or just chilling. The space feels twice as big and infinitely more dynamic. 2 rooms in one, calm by day, electric by night. The secret to effortless transformation? Smart control. All lights and tech connect to one ecosystem, controlled by app or voice. Preset scenes like gaming, movie, and chill instantly change the entire vibe. One tap dims the lights, shifts colors, and focuses attention where you want it. No juggling remotes, just seamless, futuristic control. This project proves you don't need a big budget or space for a dream setup. With planning, the right tech, and smart lighting, any room can become your favorite place. Would you try this transformation in your own space?